Oh, Mr. Woodpecker, we're ready for you on the photo set.
Hey, are you sure you're a photographer of the stars?
Oh, but of course. I shot 'em all. Ursa Minor, Canis Major, surely you've heard of them.
Yeah, surely.
Now ride straight up that hill and we'll myrtleize you. I mean, we'll immortalize you. Film is forever. Unlike woodpeckers who are done for.
Oh, boy.
Oh, no. Oh, oh, Twinkie, help! Twinkie! Oh, I gotta do something about that flash.
Hey, there was no film in that camera. What the heck's going on around here, bub?
I must have forgot to load the film. Yeah, we'll get it right next time.